Okay, this is the GoWise GW44800 air fryer that was only about a month old when it decided it wanted to quit working, and GoWise's warranty department is not very good. Still haven't heard back from them over a year later, after I filled out all of their paperwork. But anyway, I've already disassembled it, but just to show you what didn't get seen in other videos, and it's kind of important, is you have 6 screws to remove to get into this thing, and that's where it's going to be interesting. 4 of them are underneath this plate, and there's 2 right here and right here. You can get to them with the door closed just by tilting it up, and they're underneath there, and you'll easily see them. And if you've never done it, this is a scary part, removing this plate, but it is. I just used a pair of diagonal cutters and slipped them in and popped them up. So you want to get close to each of the tabs, and you'll feel where they are, and pop them one at a time. Once you get them popped, then this lid will come back up and expose your 4 additional screws here, 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 and here, which you can take out. So 6 screws, and then you can just lift the whole lid off of it and expose the electronics. Now be careful, you do have one wire to disconnect right here. Trying to do this and hold the camera, the cheapy camera, at the same time is kind of fun. But there it goes. And you can get that out of the way. And in my case, I immediately looked at the circuit board and said, oh, where's the problem? Everything looks good, but smoke came out the top when it quit working. Huh? What? The common wire. Yeah, their quality control must be excellent, because you can see right where it burnt down this blue wire, because they didn't make a good connection in there when they made it. Okay, so I'm going to fix that and put it back together. You don't need to see that. You just need to make them up good. And so that's how you get the GW44800 apart when you want to take a look inside. Okay, just as a little follow-up. Yes, we did go ahead and take those apart, cut them back to fresh wire, re-splice them, make sure they were all the same length and well twisted together, then applied a good wire nut, and that's all good. Also noticed that this terminal right here was very loose, so it was going to be the next problem thing. So I took that off and tightened it up, so it's now on there pretty good. And the other problem I found was they had this blue wire coming up, the AC neutral of that one. It was wrapped right around this heater element, I mean hard up against it, so that was a potential problem spot, so we rerouted it off to the side. So now we'll put 6 screws back in it and snap the top back on. It should be good to go.